Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brianna and today we are going to the beach. So it's looking a little cloudy over here in Gainesville, so we'll see what it looks like when we drive over there. So unfortunately, this is what we showed up to. Sunny Jacksonville was not so sunny today. Y'all, Danger is literally his middle name. Warning him wouldn't have prevented this.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Oh my God!
Hey guys, so unfortunately when we got to the beach it was raining just like this right now, and so, the beach was really windy, like the sand beat me up. It was so windy. So our solution was to go to a hotel where we can cook our food. So we went to the hotel and they thought that we were gonna be throwing a party, so they kicked us out of the hotel. Now we're at an Airbnb where we can cook our food and we have access to a pool, even though we're not going in it, but that's basically it.
Broward didn't happen. Something like that.
Is there really like Cobra?
Got him! Got him!
Hey guys, we're at the pool. The pool's actually really warm, and so we're thinking about going in it later when the rain stops. Today has been so crazy. We've been hopping back and forth between locations, so I'm gonna give you guys an update soon.
Perfect.
Y'all, look at the gym. Hey guys, so beach trip is over. Once I got back to my house, I literally crashed in my bed because it was such a long day. But yeah, it was a pretty adventurous day. Never experienced anything like it. Got back home probably around like 10 or so. It was still cold, still windy. I don't know. Beach day was definitely not sunny, but it was definitely an experience. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.